Dior show in Paris.
2021 winter show by Mr. Kim Jones.
Yeah, I'm really excited. This place is crazy. You can feel the vibe in the room right now. We're all ready to go, excited.
For the show, we're going for a very natural look. In combination with a wet hair look, we went for a very natural luminous skin.
So I've got makeup on, but I don't feel it.
Very soft, very easy, very natural. I really like it.
To get that look, I started prepping the skin with Captain Total Super Potent Serum. It's a beautiful hydration texture and a little bit of primer, and then transparent finish with the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. When needed, a little bit of extra coverage with the Skin Correct Concealer to cover up blemishes or pimples if needed.
Yeah, I like makeup. They've done a really good job.
I almost don't feel that I have anything on my face.
And the eyebrows is gently enhanced with the eyebrow pencil, just where needed. Just enhance them a bit stronger, fill in the gaps, and just make the look a bit more intense. For lips, we just went super hydrating with the new Rouge Dior Lip Balm. Soft finish, not too shiny, not too matte. 24-hour hydration.
Ouais, le stick, il est efficace.
Not like red or anything, but yeah, I like moist, yeah.
Like in the mornings, especially when it's cold, I live in London, rather than having chapped lips. Get me moisturized lips, ready to take on the day.
For me, the it product is of course the new lip balm. The lip balm is a gem, and it's very comfortable, long-lasting, guaranteed beautiful soft lips.
It's gonna be a perfect show.
I'm raring to go, I'm excited. Let's do this.